Kia ora, Sharon Holt here again. Today we're up to the letter O, the pronunciation of the O, which in Te Reo is not O, it's O. So when we put it in after a consonant to make a little syllable, this makes this ho. We know that it's O because of the a, e, I, o, u. A lot of people think the O is the sound O, and some people say ko and then their name aho, or ko something or other, tōku ingoa. And this is ko. It's always ko. The sound O in Māori is always O. So that's going to be ko. Ko Sharon aho. Mo, no, po. Or with a macron over, it's the word for night, po. So it's just a little bit longer if it's got a macron. Ro, which is the beginning of rotorua. Ro, to, wo, ngo, fo. And that really looks like the English word who, so be careful if you see this syllable around the place in Te Reo. It's fo, not who. Got to remember which language you're reading there. So that was the letter O. I look forward to seeing you again with the letter U, and then we will have finished the vowels. Ka kite.